Hello friends, my name is Pavan. In this video, we will find out the nth lowest and highest number. So let's create one list and add the number from 11 to 20. So here you can see this. We created one ArrayList object and we added this all number in this ArrayList. Here you can see this is the unsorted element. So I will save this program and I will run this. So here you can see this is the unsorted list. So first thing what we have to do here, we will sort this integer list, right? This integer list. So I copy this and I will sort this integer list. So dot by using the stream API. So here you can see stream dot. We have one method, sorted method, right? So collect. We want a list object. So collector dot. This is class from the java.util.stream. So collector dot toList. So it will create one this integer object in a sorted format. So we will print this. Here you can see this all element is sorted. So let's check. So you can see this line number 18. I printed this all element. This all element is the sorted element. Now here we are going to calculate the nth lowest number. To calculate the nth lowest number or the nth highest number, first we need to understand two methods here. That first method is limit method. This limit method is from the stream API. So what this limit method do? Suppose here we have the tail element. So this limit method limit this stream to add. Suppose we added here limit is 2, then it will add only the first two element. So currently we have this sorted element. So in this sorted element, suppose we added 2, so it will add only the two element, first two element. So here you can see 11 and 12 in the list. Let's check that. Third step is integer dot stream dot sorted. So we already understand this sorted method, right? So after that here we have to apply the limit. So it will restrict the maximum size. So what maximum size you want from this stream API. So here we will apply the 2 dot collector dot toList. Okay, so here we have the integer limit. So we will check what we get from this integer limit. So I am going to print this. So limit integer limit, right? So here you can understand this by, so here you can see we are limit the size of this list to the 2. So that's why only the 2 elements is added in the limit. So what is the second method? Second method is the skip method. This is also from the Java 8 stream API. So it also take the argument. So here we are going to calculate the second lowest number. So what, we don't need this number, right? So we are going to skip this number. So how many number we have to skip? So that count we have to add here. So we are here skipping the 1. Suppose we are going to calculate the third highest number, then here we have to add the 2, because in that case we are going to skip the 3 numbers, right? Sorry, 2 numbers. So let's check this. Teacher second lowest number, right? second lowest number. Right, so same thing, that is integer stream dot sorted dot. So here what we need, this is the final output we are going to calculate. So first of all, we are limiting the only the two numbers from the list. So here limit is 2, and we are skipping the first element. So that is skip 1, we are skipping, and after that collector dot to list, right? And after that, at last we can print the second lowest number. So here second lowest number is, you can print this. So second lowest number here, it accept the optional. So let's convert this integer to the optional. Okay, sorry. So here it is creating the list, but we want only one number. So let's calculate one number, that is first. Anyway, we have the only one number here, so let's get this first number, and it want the optional integer. So let's convert this integer to the optional, and at last here you can see the second lowest number is here, the 12. So you can see the second lowest number is the 12 here. So second lowest number is the 12, right? So here the optional, we have to get this. So up here you can see the second lowest number is 12. Suppose you want the third lowest number, so we have to limit this 3. So it will get the 11, 12, 13, and we are going to skip the first two number, and we are printing the first number. So you can get the list also here, but I want only one integer, so that's why I use the find first number method. So it will get the first number from the list. Okay, so I am going to run this. You can see here the third lowest number is 13. Similarly you can do for the nth highest number also. So here suppose same logic, only we have to sort this in the descending order, and same thing. So I will tell you how to do it by using this stream API. So we know we have the comparator, right? In comparator we have one method, that is reverse order. So it will reverse this list. So we have this list, it will reverse this list. So you will get this like this, and you want the second highest number. So here you can see the second, skip limit 2 and skip first. So here you can see the second highest number is 19, right? Suppose you want this third highest number, so also similar logic you can apply. Limit is to the 3 and skip the first two element and get the first element. So here you can use this method or as per your requirement. So to print the integer, that's why I use it. You can use list or whatever you want, list, map, set, whatever you like, you can use here. So I am here printing the third highest number. Okay, so I hope you understand it. If you have any question, so you can comment. Thank you.